Hello everyone, Karan here from Tech Revs, and today we are doing a review on the JBL Go 3. Now this speaker is available for about 3000 rupees here in India, and we're going to do a quick unboxing and I'm going to tell you my feedback on these speakers. I hope you got a good look during the unboxing, but let me give you a quick overview of these speakers. This is plastic and rubberized built mostly, and it's covered on top with this mesh like cloth material, and then all of these logos, the loop over here, feet over here, the grips over here, all rubberized. The buttons also are all rubberized on top of plastic. Really high quality material for something that costs only 3000 rupees. Really good in terms of how it feels to hold in the hand. So the only problem is that these grips really don't do much because you'll see this thing moving all around the table when you're placed it like this. Rather, I'll say if you place it like this on the button side, if you place it like this, it actually holds up much better. It doesn't move around with the base. It is one of the better built speakers for what it actually offers. So this also comes with Bluetooth 5.1. and it gives you about 5 hours of battery life. So that battery life is again there 5 hours if you're listening at about 80% volume. Once you're touching 100% volume with a lot of bass in the music, this should come down to about 4 hour 10 minutes or 4 hour 15 minutes if you're pushing it at the max volume. So not at all good in terms of battery life, but if you want something that's really portable, that you can just place it anywhere in a hook, in your bag, anywhere, and you can just carry it with you. Now that we are done with all of that, let's get into the actual sound test and see whether it's actually worth the money that you're paying for it. We are playing NCS music, and right now we are at 80% volume levels. Let's just start, and then we'll go up to 100% volume.
I'm way too good at keeping you from getting in. I've seen exactly how this ends. I never get too close, afraid to lose again. Cause I'm thinking back to 17, when I was young and so naive, falling into love like such a fool. Yeah, I was dumb, but she was me. It broke my trust, and honestly, I never wanna feel that hurt again. I'm so done breaking down my walls for someone to break me till I fall apart. Loneliness is not that hard, and I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up. Won't fix another broken heart. And I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars. Won't fix another broken heart. Wanna feel that hurt again. I'm so done breaking down my walls for someone to break me to pain and misery and let you be here with me.
As you saw, with 80% volume, this is really great for personal listening. At 100% volume, I'll say it's good for a small sized room. Maybe not a medium sized room, but at least for a small sized room. The fidelity doesn't break, the audio doesn't crack, no matter what sort of track you're playing, rock, metal, heavy, R&B, whatever you're playing. I'll say that the bass is not that much, which I'm okay with in this small package. I'm okay with that the bass is not that much. The only thing that I feel funny is that when you're placing it like this, or even like this, when the speaker moves, when the bass is playing, I'm like, dude, the bass isn't there that much. Why are you moving around here and there? So that's the only thing that I find funny. But other than that, Great pair of speakers for 3,000 rupees. The links are in the Amazon description if you're here buying it in India. And if you're not buying here in India, drop us a like, subscribe to the channel for more such audio reviews. I am also going to be bringing some comparisons between some speakers, the Soundcore Mini 2, the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2, or should you pay double for this, or should you pay one-fourth the price of this, and more such crazy comparisons for the JBL speaker. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.